Okay, so it's like 45 in the morning. We're just about to leave to drive 3 hours to Sioux Falls to go look at a waterfall and do shopping apparently, and then our plane leaves at 8 to Vegas, gets in at 9 because there's a stupid 2-hour time change, so it's 3 hours. And yeah, outfit of the day, Aeropostale maxi dress, Aeropostale white speedy bag, and sorry for the really poor quality yesterday. But yeah, talk to you soon. Okay, so it's about 9:20-ish, and we're just picking up breakfast from the hotel. Blueberry muffin, and I got a coffee with vanilla in it, and it's delicious. Tastes just like Starbucks, so yeah, I can't afford Starbucks every day. That stuff's expensive. But at least my makeup's not looking blotchy on camera today, because I apologize so much. Just the quality yesterday, it was just so bad. So we're going to Walmart to pick up a adapter to plug into an iPad that you can insert memory cards into, so I can vlog with my dad's like HD camera, which will be so much better than this crap iPod I've been using. So crossing fingers so much that we get the adapter so I can use the camera, which is so much better than this. Okay, so it is what time is it? 16. 11:16. 4 minutes But now we're probably like an hour and a bit, or an hour away from the falls. How did you do that? Heart attack. But yeah, we're like an hour away from the waterfalls and shopping. We're finally at Sioux Falls, and we're just getting stuff out of the car. And I was expecting more waterfalls than this. These are just little. Very disappointed. So yeah, we're just gonna go walk around the water and take some pictures and some videos. So yeah. Okay, so those are just the waterfalls. Nothing really too special. They're really pretty, but it's nothing super extraordinary. I'll just go down here and yeah, there's ducks. I like ducks, but yeah, there's nothing really exciting about it, and we drove 3 hours to see this, but our plane leaves from Sioux Falls anyway, so we'll just go do some shopping because I'm in the shopping mood. So yeah, just stay tuned for shopping. So we just finished up at the falls, and now we're trying to figure out how to read the map to get to the mall. Do a little bit of shopping, not much shopping because I'm already pretty much full of my suitcase. But yeah, we're figuring it out, and yeah. Okay, sorry that I haven't been vlogging throughout the day. I've just been busy with shopping. I went to Foster and Paxton because I really wanted a brandy shirt from Paxton. Thank you, Mother. Look. Blow up my nose. Okay, but I really wanted a shirt from Paxton that was from Brandy Melville. And so I got that one, and I'll show you in the mini haul tonight. There's Mommy. And thank you so much for the good feedback that I've been getting on my last night's vlog. So, talk to you soon. Lean on me.
Lean on me.
When you're not strong.
When you're not strong.
I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, though you won't be long.
I don't know.
I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. The funniest thing you'll ever see. Mom wants to take a funny picture. 1 second. Yep, that's what she's doing. There you go.
Thank you.
Fun memories. Up at Target, and I got a few things for the giveaway, which I'm really excited about because I honestly was at the point where I was like, I'm not finding anything. But I found some, so now we're just gonna go get some food and drive to the airport, get on our flight, which leaves at 9:35, not 8. So yeah, I'll vlog in the airport or at dinner, I'm not too sure. Okay, so we finally got to to the airport and started to vlog while my mom died, which kind of sucks. But we were supposed to get an adapter for the iPad to upload pictures, but then it didn't work. We got it, but it doesn't work with my memory card. So I'm stuck and vlogging with my iPad, which isn't really too bad. So yeah, I probably won't vlog on the plane just because I have to put my iPod away eventually. But stay tuned at the end of the vlog for haul, because I got a lot of things, but I'm not showing the giveaway things. But yeah. Okay, so we finally got on the airplane. 2-hour delay-ish, and I'm super tired, so I'm not gonna vlog the mini haul when I get home. Sorry, but not sorry. Just kidding. But I'm actually really tired.
This arm until we get here. This way. Just because
Go a little way. And yeah, so I got the mini haul, so I'm just gonna end it right here. But this is my flight to Vegas, so hope you enjoyed this mini vlog. It wasn't too exciting today. Stay tuned for tomorrow, because that's when we're actually in Vegas and we're doing things that are fun. But stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'll probably be videotaping a clip of an overview of the city with all the lights. It's gonna be great. So yeah, just thanks for watching, girls. Just comment, subscribe, check out my channel, and check my other videos.